Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce without cheese. First, let's build our creamy base. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of plant-based butter in a saucepan. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux, cooking for 1 minute. Gradually pour in 1 1/2 cups of unsweetened plant milk, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. This forms the essential foundation for our delicious, dairy-free sauce. Now, let's infuse our sauce with incredible flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder to the simmering base. Stir in 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This is key for that savory, umami, almost cheesy taste without any dairy. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Let it gently simmer for 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To achieve that signature Alfredo creaminess, we'll refine the texture. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry. Stir this into your simmering sauce. For an extra luxurious feel, incorporate 2 ounces of plant-based cream cheese, whisking until fully melted and smooth. Continue to whisk gently for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce reaches your desired thick and velvety consistency. It's almost ready. Your delicious, dairy-free Alfredo sauce is now complete. Pour it generously over freshly cooked pasta, steamed broccoli, or roasted chicken for a satisfying meal. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. This sauce is so versatile and truly proves you don't need cheese for a rich, comforting Alfredo experience. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on money, check the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.